Yo, what's happening? It's your man OG Bo Beats TV. Come you today, no special video. What's good? What's happening, YouTube? It's your man OG Bo Beats, and I'm back with another video for you today. So today I got a quick review for y'all, man. It's just some dope kicks that I picked up off the Nike website for a dope price. I just wanted to give y'all a quick preview. I don't review a lot of Air Force Ones, but I do love Air Force Ones, you know, from way back in the day. And I think these is very slept on, and I'm gonna show you why. All right, so before we do that, please make sure if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, leave a comment. It's your man OG Bo Beats, and let's get right into it. All right, boom, so check it out. So right here we have the Air Force One Mid PRM, right? Black, metallic silver, Hyperpink, size 11, my size. All right, so check these out. So at first glance, you might think these are just some Air Force One mids, you know, some black Air Force One mids at that. But actually the shoe is pretty dope, and it's got some dope material. So the retail price on the shoe was $150, but I hit off of, I think, the Black Friday or the Cyber deal, one of them deals, and I got them for like 85 bucks, I think, right? So check it out. So first thing first, yes, it is a black Air Force One. What's so special about this? All right, so first of all, the outsole is a translucent icy blue outsole. Take a look at that. That's not black, that's actually icy blue. On the outsole, you can see a big, that's actually Hyperpink Nike swoosh, right? Which is very dope. So why has it got a pink Nike swoosh logo on the outsole? We'll get to it in a second. All right, so like I said, Air Force One sole, moving on up. The material on these is actually pretty dope, but it's just to be a plain black leather shoe. All right, so you got an all black upper, you got a silver shiny Nike swoosh, right? That caught my attention also. So these aren't just black on black Air Force Ones. You know we said about the black Air Force Ones in the hood. All right, so moving up, you got the strap that comes on the mids, and as you can see, we got like an emboss. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but emboss usually stick out, but this goes in, but we're gonna call it emboss. Nike logo right there. And then let's go to the laces. These are laces, I got a little something to them. These not just black laces, they're a little shiny. So they got a little something to them, almost like a starchy feel. All right, move up to the tongue. As you can see on the tongue, you got a dope Nike Air Force One logo on the tongue, leather, embossed. Move up to the sock liner, and you got a velvet sock liner in this Air Force One. Now, what is this doing with a velvet sock liner? All right, so these shoes is pretty high quality. Inside the sole, you see that the sole is also a leather insole with another embossed Nike swoosh. All right, so around the heel of the shoe, you got Nike Air, also embossed, and Nike swoosh on the other side, silver. Now, these shoes came with another pair of laces, Hyperpink. So I guess the logo and the laces are supposed to go. I doubt I ever used the pink laces. However, I think it's a dope look to throw an extra pair of Hyperpink laces in there and make this shoe more special than the average black Air Force One mid. So I just wanted to show y'all that. You know, y'all sleep on these. This is a dope shoe, good quality. Still sitting on the Nike website. So if you like Air Force Ones, this is definitely a shoe I will wear because, you know, I can just throw it on, rock it with whatever, you know, handle my business. So check that out. Even on the box, you see the little embossed Nike sign right there. So very dope shoe. Gotta pay attention to the materials. This is why I like sneakers. I just don't collect any shoes. So Air Force One Mid PRM, I guess that stands for premium, but it is a premium quality shoe. Let me know how y'all feel about these, man. Air Force Ones in general, black Air Force Ones. Like I said, you gotta look at the shoe in hand, but it's very dope, very dope. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, leave a comment. Y'all reply to all comments. It's your man OG Bo Beats. I'm out.